We are in the midst of a new digital revolution. Never before have we seen technology develop so rapidly, and never before have we demanded so much from it. We expect our buildings to be smart, anticipating our arrival and delivering services to us instantly and invisibly. We want to be able to communicate and connect with vast networks of data as naturally and effortlessly as talking to another person. And we require technology that can liberate us from monotonous tasks. At Nilfisk, we believe that all of these innovations can increase the efficiency of workplaces. And we believe we can make our customers' businesses smarter. We see a horizon brimming with opportunities, and we are constantly exploring how these emerging technologies can be harnessed to deliver a cleaner and more productive every day. We see a world of intelligent cleaning where machines are connected, accessing data, measuring, analyzing, and predicting, delivering the right level of cleaning to the right place at the right time, without the need for human intervention. We see a world where a cleaning machine just knows without having to be told, sensing and remembering an operator's settings, or booking its own service call when it detects a fault. And at Nilfisk, we have already taken the first steps towards autonomous cleaning, where machines automatically learn and adapt to the environment. So join us in embracing the new digital revolution and an exciting new era of intelligent cleaning.